This was really a death sentence back then. But people thought it was a particular disease for gay people. I was Elizabeth's hairstylist back then, and they pushed all her buttons. She was horrified by it.
We went to Bangkok, and one of the things that she wanted to do quietly was visit patients in a hospital. And I remember going to the hospital, and somebody got a shot of it through a window. She was very mad about it at the time because she was concerned about protecting the identity of the patient. I do believe actually it was a good thing, just being photographed, touching people who had AIDS. It made people more compassionate about patients, and I think that was a really important contribution.
We knew that 10,000 people had died of AIDS, and something needed to be done. And Elizabeth said, we're going to Washington.
Someone of some power needed to be vocal. Hey, you guys up there, you really got to start putting more money into HIV.
She sort of understood DC and how it worked because she'd had that experience living there with John Warner, and she knew that people would respond to her.
But Ronald Reagan still had not called attention to HIV. And it was clear that she was getting a little bit annoyed. And then the word got out that one day she just said, okay, Ronald, enough is enough. You've got to get out there and talk about it.